Me and Crystal's on a bike ride today. It's gonna be a workout. We ain't did this in almost 2 years. So we've been gone for like 5 minutes and my calves are already like, oh my gosh. They're like, you're fucking learning out, dude. Oh, car. Fucking beep at me, prick. You're about to lose Mountain Dew. Good old Mountain Dew. Yep. Feels myself gasping for breath for a little bit. Oh shit, I'm going too fast. I'm tired. My brake don't work. I had to. My brake don't work. I had to slow down. Crystal went up on the hill. Sidewalk. Town. Hey, cut across to go down. Yeah. I had a blowout on my front tire. Yeah, I'm still riding my bike. It's one hell of a wheelie, huh? Old Town Square. Where's the tired and it's not to work on it. Exhausted. I don't have brains. Yeah. Huh?
Go down that roll pull around here?
Yeah. Take a left, Hannah. Take a left, Hannah. Riding with Philip and the girls.
Look at this. Hi. Hi.
I know. Cupcake got a new cupcake coming out next week. Will you buy it? I said, just cream filling. Come on. Yep. Where's he going? I got that. Okay.
No, you have to make me go fast.
Don't brake. I have no brakes. Don't brake. Oh, I'm getting close. Oh, I'm getting close. Oh, don't brake, don't brake. I have no brakes. No, 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 no.
What'd you say?
Shit happens.
Yeah, it's another one. Doesn't matter.
After a hellacious bike ride, we're gonna go to Hardee's and get a burger. Yes. Got to burn off the calorie, or fill up the calories that I can't even talk, I'm so wore out. Put the calories back on that we had burnt off, because God knows that we don't need to lose weight. We just toned up a lot of muscle. That was a heck of a ride. Think you'll feel it tomorrow?
Oh yeah, I always do. That's why I like to ride a little bit every day, or go walking or something a little every day.
That was a long ride.
Yeah.
We ain't been in so long.
From one end of town to the other.
My legs are like, I got your ass. I got your ass. My butt is hurting too. That's what she said.
I need a bigger.
What are you getting?
Yeah, number 1 and 4 of those cookies too.
I don't know if I want the number 2 or the number 4.
Number 4 looks bigger.
Number 4, I had that last
No
time.
mustard, no
I
ketchup.
like it.
The only thing different is
I wanted no
the
mustard, no ketchup.
bacon on it. Paying $1 for 2 pieces of bacon. That's a good burger there. I'll get a number 2. Make a large fry and drink.
Yeah.
Parties. What's up? You get rid of the TVs and the cameras in. It must be the Walmart and Facebook and all these business facial recognition type stuff the government's wanting to do.
I like the one.
You guys should try their food. It's really good.
Yes.
It is a little bit expensive for a fast food restaurant, but it's like
Fresh.
fresh. They make
Just
it like
cooked.
as you order it. So that's really good.
But the mosquitoes ate me up when we was riding back.
I didn't get bit by
Oh
mosquitoes.
gosh. I did.
Look at this. Oh, so delicious. Let's see if I can show you that burger. Oh, man. It's a freaking monster. Literally.